Hello YouTube. How are we doing today? So this is just a little what's sold video. I sold a total of $144 and like 40 cents. I have like 6 orders. And so that figure right there, my goal is to get back to 5,000 a month. And so that's like $166 a day, roughly. 5,000 a month is what I was at 2 months ago. I am not even close to that right now. But this was encouraging, probably because I actually came home and listed my stuff instead of letting it sit there. So let's pull some orders. First one's already pulled because some guy just bought these and then returned them and said that they weren't big enough for him. They're a size 38. They're pretty sweet. Somebody offered me 15 bucks last night. Or no, like 12, and I counted offered with 16, and they came back with 15, and so I went back with 17, and I said, dude, I don't haggle over $1, like I really don't. Yeah, I don't know if I said the whole thing right. Anyway, I felt like my negotiation was fair, and I'm not gonna take somebody's offer of $1 less than I offered them. It's just kind of insulting. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't read too far into that, but it's just something that bothers me. Next, we got these last 4 Rejuvenate stainless steel kits, and this is actually going out of country. I have found that cleaning products do well selling through eBay International, and I'm not sure why. I think the last thing I sent was to Canada. It was a big pail that was expensive for them to buy. I don't know. There might be countries where you just can't get stuff like this. I don't know. Maybe they're expats, whatever. So, yeah, this one was... Okay, the buyer paid $23.76 for this. I don't know what they paid eBay for or the import fees, but I imagine they're well over $50 for 4 boxes of cleaner. Those 4 boxes cost me $8 at Home Depot. Retail arbitrage. All right, so back over to this free hutch I picked up the other day. We sold the last 2 of these. Okay, so these I just sold the last lot of 2. I made like, if I remember right, it's 10 or 12 bucks per lot. 10 bucks. And I had like 20 lots that I got from Home Depot. These were on clearance for $2 a can. They had more than that, and I should have bought them. I don't know why I didn't. So go to your Home Depot, check out the cleaning section, and if it's anything like my area, you're going to find a bunch of cleaning supplies for cheap. All right, so you probably heard the story. If you watched my my video about the guy with the cancer that I bought this from, and all that drink mix right there. This sold. It took 1 day to sell. I paid $2 for it. And it sold for $25 free shipping. So this will cost me $3.50 to ship out. Total into it for $5.50. With fees, I'm still making 15 bucks. Not too bad. All right, where is that kite? Found it. Okay, so this is a Prism Stowaway Diamond Kite. I did pull it out of the package to make sure that it wasn't ripped. I think these are higher end. I mean, they're not dollar store kites. So I picked this up. I lost the sticker, but I think it was $2. It was either $2 or $3 at a garage sale from kind of an older couple that was selling all their stuff to move. That one sold for $36. So it'll cost me $3 something to ship out. So 36 minus around 9. So I'm making 26 bucks off of that kite. I probably should have just kept it and gave it to my kids so they had something to do right now because Fortnite's getting a little old. All right, this last item for today I really like. Let me move that ladder. All right, so I got this for $1. I get all my camo for $1. But it honestly amazes me how well these guys, Marines and you know, this was like some sharpshooter infantry something jacket. They take such good care of their clothes. And I mean, it's still got the deals that hook to your pants or whatever. I don't even know what those are exactly. But I really appreciate them taking such good care of their clothes. They always look so sharp. Okay, so I didn't want to sit on this for a while, so I listed it for 20 bucks. I probably could have got more for this because it's your dress up. It's not camo, it's your dress up garb. So I probably could have got 40. But I didn't want to sit on it because I still have loads of camo. So if you're into camo, feel free to message me. I'd even send you something for like just the cost of shipping if you want it. All right, last minute pickup was a pair of Nikes. I keep all of my high-end items not outside. All right, so there's nothing better than last minute add-ons because I love doing all my shipping at once. It's super nice. You get your package out that day or maybe the next morning and your buyer's like, wow, this guy's on the ball. I'm gonna follow him. Okay, so here we have a pair of Air Jordan. These are the Russell Westbrook. They're called Why Not? And they are size 12. The retail on these was $115. I don't even remember what I paid for these because I actually sold these to a guy. He returned them. Took me like 4 months to sort that out and get my money back. And I just sold them for $89. Free shipping. FedEx charges me $11 to ship it straight to his house. And now that's it for today. Okay, so it's back to listing this kind of stuff after I get things packaged out. I might do a little video of all the stuff I need to list. I know I have a video back there somewhere where I offered that you got either half off or you paid what I paid. I don't remember, but if there's something that you guys see that you want, I'll totally give it to you for like half price of what I was going to sell it for. I've got all these camcorders. I've got just mugs and old stuff. The Jazz Bear, you must live in Utah, sorry. I've got all these CDs, records, camcorders. Oh, don't forget over here, I got just loads. So that's gonna do it for me, guys. I gave away 2 more of those today. There's 2 more toiletry kits if you are in need or whatever. You don't have to tell me why you want it. Yeah, comment on that one giveaway video and yeah, you'll probably win because I'm not getting many comments about them. So love you guys. Stay safe. Take care. Give me a like and, a few comments. And I'd love to go to your videos and comment as well. Let's get each other some help. Thumbs up, everybody. Take care.